Hello, this is Caroline. Thank you for watching my video. In this video, I am setting up the brand new Amazon Halo. This is a band that measures my heart rate, that actually measures my tone of my voice, and it measures my sleep. I am super excited about it. I got it through early access. I still paid full price for it. I applied to Amazon a few months ago. It's swim-proof, 24/7 heart rate, always getting smarter. What's included? The fabric band, sensor, charging clip, 6 months of Halo membership, encouragement, labs, body composition, sleep, tone of voice. Analyze your tone of your voice to become more aware of how you sound to others. Activity, Halo membership. Become the leading expert on you. And it's always getting smarter. Well, at least that's what it says on the side of the box. We'll see about that. As I said before, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for this with my own money, and I'll give you my honest feedback about this wristband from Amazon. It's called Amazon Halo. Now let's get started. We are unboxing the Halo band, and I got a medium, I got black. And here it is. This is the band. And then there is, I'm assuming these are the instructions. Halo, first things first, need your Halo band, get it charged, download the app, talk about tone, more about the mic, troubleshooting, and here is the charger. This is a USB charger. We'll get this charged up. All right, I think I need to remove this piece of plastic, and then I think it fits right into here. That's what it looks like. I think it's, the contact is right there, and then this matches, and then we'll put that we'll plug in the USB end, and then we'll get started with the setup. Now let's get started setting up our Amazon Halo. We're gonna start by going to the App Store. And from the App Store, I am going to search on Amazon Halo. And here it is, Amazon Halo Get. I'm gonna hit the Get button. There, it's done. I'm gonna hit Open. And here we go, Amazon Halo would like to use Bluetooth. I'm gonna hit OK. And I'm gonna hit Set Up Your Band. I'm gonna sign into my Amazon account. It says, let's get started. Okay, tap on my name, Caroline. What's my birthday? What's my gender? Female. Hit Next. And it says, let's protect your data. Help us ensure that only you have access to your health data. Enter a mobile number we can identify, or you can use email. I got a 6-digit verification code to my email. Oh, and there it is. It is verified. And now it says, okay, plug in the charger, place the clip with the button facing out, align the red connection points. In a few seconds, a white blinking light will show you it's ready to pair. Let's see, USB. Plug this in, and then I'm going to touch the red connection pins. All right, there. Okay, now it says a white blinking light will show you it's ready to pair. Excellent. I'm gonna hit next. Now I'm connecting to my band, and I see select an accessory. Hopefully my band will come up. There it is, Amazon OOD4. Select my accessory. Connecting to my band. It includes a free 6-month Halo membership. I'm gonna hit continue. Update available. Yes, I'm gonna update now. Now I have finished updating my band, and it says allow notifications. I am going to hit yes, allow. Put it on your hand. Which wrist will you wear it on, right or left? Make sure the button faces you. Oh, we're taking this off. Look at the right hand. This is kind of funny. There's a matching graphic. Okay, let's try this out. There, how about that? I'm gonna hit continue. Finishing band setup. Next, you're all set. And then there's a video.
Tone analyzes qualities of your voice, like energy and positivity throughout the day. This helps you understand how you might be perceived by others. A daily summary lets you discover trends in the way you communicate with friends, family, and coworkers. And knowing how you sound helps you make choices that keep your relationships strong. Body composition uses your smartphone's camera to analyze your body fat percentage. A better measure of health than a scale alone. A personalized 3D model helps you track changes over time. Activity score measures not only steps and sedentary time, but also the intensity of the activities themselves. After all, shouldn't taking stairs 2 at a time count more than 1? Sleep Score helps you understand the quantity and quality of your sleep. It looks at things like how long it takes you to doze off, or how often you wake up in the middle of the night. Simple challenges and experiments help you find new ways to feel your best, like seeing if less alcohol means less snoring, or if sunlight helps kickstart your day. Discover more by exploring the app.
There is the video that you watch when you get it set up, and now it says, "Hi Caroline, last synced a few seconds ago." There's nothing on here. It tells me what percentage my halo is. It's at 99%. Then there is lab, progress, no progress yet. Live, heart rate. Let's see what my heart rate is. 84 beats per minute. Wow. Okay, that's pretty fast. I'm pretty excited about making this video. Learn how you sound around other people. Oh, I have to set up tone. I'm gonna hit set up tone. If you set up tone, your Halo band will analyze your voice throughout the day, which will use your band battery faster. You may need to charge it as often as every 1 to 2 days. Okay, I'm gonna hit continue, waiting for microphone. Press and hold the button until you see the green light. This is the button. I'm gonna hold it, press and hold until you see the green light. There it is, green light. Microphone on. Learn my voice, okay. By tapping continue, you agree to the Halo terms of use and authorize Amazon to create a voice profile. Hit continue, read out loud in your natural voice. It was the best of times. It was the worst of times. It was the age of wisdom. It was the age of foolishness. It was the spring of hope. It was the winter of despair. It had no pictures or conversations in it. And what is the use of a book, thought Alice, without pictures or conversations? All right, analyzing my voice. Voice ID created. See real-time voice analysis with live mode. Hit start. Hello, this is Caroline. Discouraged, worried, uncomfortable, amused, shy, happy, confident. Oh my goodness, I am feeling everything right now. Delighted. I'm delighted that I'm making a YouTube video right now. Hi, my name is Caroline, and I make weekly videos about IoT, Raspberry Pi, and smart home speakers. Please subscribe. I'm going to have this open. I'm going to keep this going for a few days. I'll let you know how it goes. Hello, I am back. It's been about 2 weeks or more since I set up my Halo wristband. Now, in the past 2 weeks, there are a couple of things I want to mention, and this is kind of my review for the Halo band, what it does and what I thought about it. Number one, it might look a little bit different than the last time you saw it. That is because I went out and purchased this sport band. They call it a sport band. I'll link over to it. I replaced the original band that it came with this comfort band, sport band. I do run with it on, and so it gets really, really sweaty, and the original band was cloth, and I didn't think that was a really good idea. It was very hygienic, so I did wash. You can just pop off. It is super easy to pop off the Halo device itself out of the band. It's not connected, and you can pop it right back on. There it is. So that is the Halo band. I believe it can be worn on top like a watch or underneath your wrist as well. There's one button on the side, but there is no display whatsoever. The first thing I want to talk about this Halo band is that I had tone turned on the entire time, and it was telling me that if you have tone turned on, it kind of grades what you're saying, and because it's listening all the time, it is running down your battery a lot quicker. So you do have to charge it every 2 days instead of, if you have tone turned off, then you'd only charge it once a week or something. So it does run down your battery significantly faster. All right, that's okay. I wanted the full experience, so I left it on, and I've been charging it pretty much every other day. I'm on this Facebook group with other people who are in this trial of the Halo, and there have been a few users who said that the original band irritated their skin. Now that I've got my Halo app open, you can see it. I'm doing a screen record for you guys. There are 4 main things that the Halo is supposed to do. One, it gives you points for the amount of activity that you have per week. The week starts on a Monday, ends on a Sunday. Today is Sunday, so this is the end of the week for me, and in 7 days I have accumulated 595 points. I'll go over what that really means. Sleep, it does score your sleep every night. I forgot to wear it last night, so there's no sleep, but I will show you my previous sleep scores. Tone, I do have tone turned on. I guess it's not working today, or just haven't said enough things today, but it does note how you come off. your tone. And then the fourth thing is body scan, and that is supposed to tell you how much body fat you have. All right, so those are the 4 key things that the Halo Band does. Let's talk about activity. So activity, so for this week, I had 595 activity points. The default goal for anybody is 150 points. Why do I have 595 points? Well, I ran 20 miles this week, so I do have a lot of points, and it gives you a lot of points for intense runs. I got 402 points for running for 3 hours and 21 minutes. Cumulative over the week, that was about 20 miles for the week. Moderate is where you're doing a brisk walk or something. Light, doing housework or just stuff around the house. And then there is this sedentary, where you get deducted points. And we're going to talk about that because that's really funny how they score sedentary. So essentially, if you are sitting in front of your TV on the couch all day long, it's supposed to deduct points from your weekly total. That's the idea. I think that's great, but the way they deduct points is if you're asleep, they take away points. And yes, I was sedentary for 8 hours while I was sleeping. Then it does automatically detect your activities. Now, looking at the other people that have given feedback on the Facebook group, some of them said, hey, I was doing a bodybuilding activity and I didn't get credit for it. So I punched it in, or it did sort of give me credit, but I punched it in and then I got more points or something like that. So for me, I do not do this add activity. All right, because it automatically picks up everything for me. So I went on a 6-mile run this morning. It took me about an hour and 14 minutes for the 6-mile run. It recorded my heart rate the entire time. I started at 902, that is accurate. It records my heart rate, how much time I was intense for an hour and 4 minutes, moderate activity, light activity, steps, how many steps I took, how many calories I burned. All right, so that's really cool that I did not have to put that in there. There's a ton of content on here that comes with the app. And I think that's why they are going to start charging a monthly fee for this app, is because you can get all sorts of workouts and content and videos and stuff. I haven't gone into any of these videos and, challenges and stuff because I'm already running 20 miles a week. But if you are looking to get into a program, you can get that content through this Halo app. And to my understanding, it's not an additional fee. The fee is already there. It's right now, as of the time of this recording, the Halo Band is $4 a month, $3.99 a month, something like that. And I believe that all this content is included. So why have I not tried that? That's a great question. The reason I've not tried that is because biggest limitation about this, and I think this is just a beta thing, I don't think this is forever. The biggest limitation about this is that it's only a phone app. That means that I can't go and put this on my iPad. I can't go and stream this to my TV. I can't see this stuff anywhere except for my phone, which is a really tiny screen. Phone and look at it like this and try to get that content. It's not practical right now because the content is only on the phone. Other part of this is I cannot see any of this data anywhere except for on this phone. I can't go to a website and see this data. I can't even go to my iPad and see this data. It's just here on my phone. They're uploading it to the cloud somewhere. It is, Amazon can see it, I'm sure, but I can't see it anywhere but on this one phone. So it is a little bit annoying. I believe that it is part of, this is the beginning, this is a beta, this is a trial. So right now it's really limited. I think eventually they will be able to use this on other devices other than your phone. You should kind of expect that if you're going into a beta, that it's not going to be this whole perfect polished thing from day one. This is my activity for this week. I had 595 points for the week. It starts on Monday, ends on Sunday. And then last week I had 668 points, another 20 miles I ran, maybe 21 miles I ran last week. And then the week before that, I started on a Thursday, and this is through Sunday, I had 368 points. So this is about 3 weeks worth, or 2.5 weeks worth of data of activity. Now let's go into sleep. I'll show you sleep. I forgot to wear this last night, so let's go to yesterday. Night before, I had 6 hours and 59 minutes of sleep. It took me an hour and 5 minutes to fall asleep, but I got a good score. 81 is a good score, and it's kind of tracking when I was awake or when I was in REM sleep, light sleep, deep sleep, how many hours I was in the bed, and my sleep quality. And then I'll go the day before that. I got 74 the day before that. I didn't sleep nearly as long, but it still says good. 74 is still a good score. It only took me 14 minutes to fall asleep. You do not have to tell it you're going to sleep, but you do have to wear it while you're sleeping. Yeah, so that is my sleep patterns, tone. All right, so now I do have a score for tone. I didn't have it when I started this. I guess it listened while I'm making this video, and it says I'm friendly. All right, excellent. And so it does score things that it hears you say. I'm gonna go into live down here. So on live, you can see my heart rate. Now, I have compared this heart rate to the heart rate of my Garmin watch that gives me a heart rate, and they are almost always exactly the same. I think that the heart rate is pretty accurate. Now we're gonna get to the part where I don't like, and I don't think this is accurate, is a body scan. And I have done 4 body scans. The way the body scans work is that you have to set your phone, I would say 6 to 8 feet away, pretty kind of far away, and then you're supposed to stand in front of kind of a blank wall wearing like your underwear. I'm not going to show you those pictures just because I am not wearing much clothing in those pictures, and this is a G-rated channel. You take pictures from really far away, and then you still have to have a scale of, so you do have to type in your actual weight. I don't see how this is accurate at all. I have seen a lot of other complaints about people saying, hey, I'm in really good shape, I work out, all the time. I think the reason it's not accurate is they don't have enough data. They haven't studied enough people for this tool to be very good. As they get more data, as they go through this, I think that it will get more accurate eventually if they put their time and effort. And I say they, the people on the Halo team, put their time and effort into making this accurate. Yes, there is a ton of content on here. I believe it's all included in your $3.99 a month fee. The first 6 months, I think, are free right now, but of course that could change. And it is a beta, so they are trying to change things around. There's a ton of labs, meditation, things that you can listen to help you sleep at night, exercise that you can do, but you have to watch it all from your phone or listen to it from your phone, which means for me, I'd have to have my phone. If I wanted to do the bedtime routine, I would have to have my phone in the bedroom, which I do not have my phone in the bedroom. I charge it in the office. I do not bring the phone into the bedroom, so I haven't been able to do any of these featured labs, auto-tracked, ready to sweat. So am I gonna keep the Halo? What am I doing with the Halo? Okay, full disclosure, I do not plan on keeping the Halo. I've got other devices I've already paid and purchased, namely my Garmin GPS watch that I use for my exercising, for my running, to measure all of that. So I don't feel like this brought enough extra value to the table in order for me to hold on to this. And the body scan, I don't believe it worked. The sleep score, I have another device that measures my sleep every night. The band is relatively pretty comfortable to wear. The last thing I want to mention about this is I noticed myself gaming the system a little bit. So you know what they say about metrics, you measure something and then you're being measured, so you kind of change your behavior. What I've noticed about myself is that because on the activity score, you get dinged every time you are sedentary for a while. If I know I'm gonna go watch TV, I will take it off before I start watching TV and put it on the charger or something. So I've noticed myself saying, oh, I'm about to go out on a run, I'm gonna put my Halo on because I wanna get my activity points. Not that it matters, not that it means anything or does anything. Am I wearing it all the time now? No, I'm not. I'm gaming the system, is what I'm doing. Being just totally transparent with you guys, letting you know that what I'm actually doing with this. But it was really interesting to try it, to see what that next generation of fitness bands would be. No screen, that you look at everything on your phone. There was a ton of content. For the amount of content they're giving you, I think $3.99 is more than fair. For me, it's not really worth it to pay $3.99 a month. That is my review of the Halo Band. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Caroline. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.